Ever taken a bite of a tomato so flavorful it made your taste buds dance? Then another one that tasted like soggy cardboard? Well, hold on to your garden gloves because today we're peeling back the skin, literally and scientifically, on what makes a tomato truly taste amazing. This is not your average gardening video. This is the ultimate tomato flavor quest. Stick around till the end. We're taste testing, revealing gardening hacks, and dropping some juicy secrets that the tomato industry doesn't want you to know. Before we dive in, comment where you're watching from. Let's see how far the Mkirikacha family stretches across the world. First up, genetics. Not all tomatoes are created equal. Tomato flavor is a genetic lottery. There are over 10,000 tomato varieties worldwide, each with its own flavor profile. Some sweet like fruit, others tangy, earthy, or even smoky. Heirloom varieties, packed with complex sugars and acids, mass-produced supermarket tomatoes, often bred for durability, not flavor. The takeaway? Your tomato's taste starts in its DNA. Sunshine isn't just for beach days, it's flavor fuel. Tomatoes need at least 8 hours of full sun daily. More light equals more photosynthesis, which means more sugar. And sugar is where the flavor party begins. No sun, no fun. Just a bland tomato with an identity crisis. Flavor doesn't come from sunlight alone, it comes from below. Tomatoes crave potassium, magnesium, and calcium. The right balance of nutrients can double the sweetness. Ever tasted a tomato grown in volcanic soil or seaweed-rich compost? Those minerals infuse the fruit with a deeper, richer flavor. And remember, bland soil equals bland fruit. It's science. Flavor has a curfew. Tomatoes picked too early, they'll never reach full sweetness. The perfect time? When the fruit easily detaches from the vine and is fully colored. Timing is everything. Pick it late, it's mushy. Pick it early, it's flavorless. The golden rule: if you want the taste, wait for the ripeness. Too much love isn't always a good thing. Tomatoes that face a bit of stress, like slight drought, produce more sugars and aroma compounds. It's called flavor stress. So yes, your tomatoes need water, but overwatering washes away the flavor. Balance is key. Water wisely, and the tomatoes will reward you. Let's break it down. Sweetness comes from glucose and fructose. Tanginess, courtesy of citric acid and malic acid. Aroma? That's the secret weapon. Volatile compounds like cis-3-hexanol give that fresh-cut tomato smell. There are over 400 aroma compounds working in harmony every time you bite into a ripe tomato. This is not just fruit, it's chemistry on your tongue. Want to grow tomatoes that taste better than anything store-bought? Here's your Mkirikacha masterclass. Pick the right variety for your climate. Hot, dry areas? Go for San Marzano or Roma. Humid zones? Cherry or black crim are your friends. Prep your soil with compost, banana peel tea, and wood ash. Practice organic gardening. Avoid chemical fertilizers. Use compost, manure, and mulch. Your soil is your secret ingredient. Let's test it. Cherry tomato sweet, tangy, explosive. Roma meaty, low on juice, perfect for sauce. Black crim deep, earthy, smoky. Store-bought hybrid crunchy and bland. Flavor varies. Freshness, genetics, and care all matter. And beyond just snacking, think of tomatoes in pasta, salsa, pizza. The better the tomato, the better the dish. Flavor innovation is happening. Scientists are mapping flavor genes, crossbreeding for better taste, and even using AI to predict which combinations will yield the most delicious tomatoes. The future is juicy, and it tastes amazing. So, next time you bite into a tomato, remember, you're tasting sunlight, soil, stress, science, and soul. Comment below where you're watching from and what tomato variety you love most. Let's turn this into a garden of ideas from all corners of the globe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow tomato lovers. And here's your Mkirikacha thought of the day. A tomato may start small, but with the right care, it becomes a burst of greatness. So can you. Keep growing.